Welcome back, my familia. Today is all about my nighttime routine, just healthy quick tips that I'm going to give you to make your evening that much sweeter. So the first thing I do is I come home from the gym. I always go to the gym around about 5:30 in the evening, and then I come into the kitchens and greet my puppies. Oh, look at Bonnie, look at Buttons. Oh my god, they are the most amazing little puppies in the world. Buttons is 8 months old and Bonnie is 8 weeks old. They love each other so much, and honestly, they make my life that much better. If you don't love dogs, we cannot be friends. But yes, look at her. She is the love of my life. Buttons gets a little bit jealous, but we all do, baby girl. I let them in the garden to do their thing, but they always play around and they're just so good together. It's always nice coming home to see these two. They put me in such a good mood. As soon as I come home, after that, I am cooking. Your girl is hungry from the gym. She's got to cook for her man because my man does not know how to cook, okay? He cannot even press a button to turn on the washing machine. So right here I'm going to make a lovely tuna salad with some rice for my carbs. So right now I'm just cooking my rice. I'm using some basmati white rice. Nothing fancy pantsy over here, keeping it simple. Some vegetable stock to add flavor to the rice. I always add a stock to my rice. And then basically the way you cook rice is 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. And then you just pop the lid back on and you let it simmer. Moving on now to my salad base. I'm using spinach as my base. The greener the better, to be honest, so try and get it as green and dark as possible. Some cherry tomatoes, some onions, cucumber and 2 beetroots, and also lemon. Lemon is literally my holy grail. I use lemon in absolutely every single dish I have. I love it. Olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, some black pepper, pink salt and some garlic powder as well for a little bit of extra spice, you know, a little something, a little something. And that is your salad done. How easy, how convenient. And also, if there's a little bit left over, you can just add a tin of tuna to this dish and it's a healthy quick lunch on the go. Then I'm going to plate it up. Oh, on my fancy plate. Got my blue fancy plate out for you guys. Okay, thank me later. I'm going to add my rice, my salad and my tuna steak. I cooked my tuna in some fry light, salt, pepper and lemon juice. That is it. The recipe will be in the description box, so have a little look. As soon as I finish dinner, I like to just clean the house. I want to make it fresh and really just clean. So when I wake up in the morning, I know I don't have to do absolutely anything, but focus on work, focus on what I need to get done during the day. So with 2 dogs comes a lot of hair and comes a lot of muddy paws. So your girl has to just vanish that sofa up, make sure it's all dusted, make sure it's all clean. I'm just dusting the living space. I try and use as many non-toxic products as possible because with puppies around, I just don't want any of those, you know, unnecessary ingredients. Lighting up a little bit of a candle, setting the mood for myself, and then your girl needs to wash herself, okay? She needs to wash herself. Had a little shower. We're coming out of the shower now. So fresh, so clean, so fresh and so clean. Dry my hair. I always dry my hair before bedtime. I do not like having wet hair in bed. Oh, how quick was that, Krissy? Whoa, that was just too much for everyone. I always have a shower in the evening just because I like to wash my day away and my worries away. I know it sounds crazy, but honestly, try have a shower before bedtime. You feel so clean and refreshed. Heading over to the kitchen and having a cup of tea. I keep having these pucker womankind teas. I don't know if they're doing anything, but I just love the taste. Adding some honey for just a little bit of flavor and sweetness. And then we're heading straight to bed. This is the time where I just switch off. The problem is my job is not a 9 till 5. I'm constantly on my phone, constantly on my laptop. So this is the moment where I just do nothing. I sprayed some lavender spray on my pillow to set the mood for me, you know, get me ready for bedtime. Always switch off your phone before you enter your bedroom and start reading, because honestly it will make you so sleepy. That is it, guys. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed this video. Make sure that you are subscribed and following me on Instagram. I love you always and forever. And from me to you, good night.